Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. So speaking of free SDR softwares, so I recently came across this actually, and I got this info. There was a blog post that was made by on RTL-SDR blog on 29th of July, which was actually yesterday. So there's a website called sarahsforge.dev, and this is the homepage of this website. And once you go to products, she have made so many products for software-defined radio enthusiasts. And we're going to look at two different products. But the first product that we're going to look at in this video, we're only going to look at a software called SignalScope. So this is actually 100% free, even though the website says you have to pay $10 for it, or you can pay any amount you want, but you can get it for absolutely free. It's an amazing software. You can go to the product page. You will find WaveGate, so many different websites related to RTL and software-defined radio. We're going to come back to them one by one. So I'm going to show you the process how you can download these softwares for free. So now SignalScope and CellScope, these are the two software that I am personally interested in. So how you can do that actually. So simply go in, click on the software. It will say that you have to pay $10. Instead of $10, it says the minimum amount you can type in is 0 and add to cart. Once the product is already added to the cart, how you can download this, go to your cart and simply proceed to checkout. So basically this is sort of like a Patreon type of a thing. You can log in or you can register. Once you register, it will just simply ask for your email ID, password, and that's it. So my case, I register as M&M, and I'm going to type in my password now. I hope I typed it right. Once you log in and continue to Stripe, all right, let's see, and complete order, just simply type in your email address and complete order. And let's have a look at the software. So go to my dashboard. Now your software is ready. So this is the software. All you need to do, so I have already downloaded SignalScope, and I already downloaded CellScope. So just simply hit download. The software will be downloaded. Probably in your Windows, I was getting that it's a suspicious software. Just um, uh, go to your firewall, unblock it, and things like that. Once you have downloaded this is how this softwares look like. It's an amazing software. You will see a product like this. So in mine, it says CellScope, and I have already opened it. Just simply open it up. Go down here, and this is the application. Just simply double click and start this application. It support what type of sources it will support. It will support your SDR++ server, HackRF, LibreSDR, and it will also have your RTL-SDR dongle as well. No, not, I'm sorry, I have opened the wrong software. This is actually CellScope. I'm going to close this. I'm going to open up SignalScope. CellScope you cannot use because your Wi-Fi, your frequencies, which are LTE frequencies, they are above the range of your RTL-SDR. We're going to look at SignalScope. Just double click on it, and this is the software. So the sources that you can support is RTL, HackRF, dual RTL-SDR, LibreSDR, and so on and so forth. So I have connected my HackRF to my laptop. And once you have selected your source, you will see your spectrum, you will see a waterfall graph, you will also have decoders, favorite decoders like, for example, wideband FM broadcast, and you can choose different type of decoders. So we're going to leave this as is, and that's it. Once you have done this, simply hit start, and here we go. So a very beautiful software. Is 100% free. You can support the creator if you want, but you can also get it for free. You can log on to different frequencies. So once you have, one thing that I've noticed, that you can just simply change it using this plus bar. But when you try to change it manually, so for example, if I go in here, just like another software, and if I were to press this, and if I had enter, you won't see the spectrum. So you have to stop it and then start the software. So it should be working. So stop the software, and let's look at the frequency. Let's say somewhere around 935 megahertz, and hit start. Stop this. All right, let's start this. So here we go. So you can see the waterfall graph. You can increase the gain if you want. You can also increase your VGA as well. You can adjust your spectrum and waterfall graph as well. You can change the FFT size. So you can choose FFT 16,000 points, FFT size. Auto scale is dB. You will see the view and everything. So this is actually a free way of looking at your spectrum. So free software that is available. All right, this particular software is specifically available on Windows because it does not have it's not available on any other platform. As at least that's what it says on the website, that it's not available. So you can have different frequencies as well. So you can choose different decoders and so on and so forth. You can look at the displays, and you can also save these signals as well. So you can save it as an IQ form as well. You can save this and so on and so forth. So that's the beauty. Another free software, SignalScope, which is only available on your Windows platform. You can support the developer of this particular software by going on to Patreon, or just type it in when you check out how much money or how much you want to support by giving it. So this is quite nice. And then there is another software. So I can just simply stop this. There's another software which is called SignalScope. I'm going to make a video of that software as well. So the interface of this particular software is quite similar to GQRX. There's nothing much to it. The aesthetic of the software is quite nice. So I kind of like this software. So if you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll be making a video of all of her softwares individually, especially the one that I'm interested in, which is SignalScope. SignalScopes only allow HackRF to be connected, or something that has a wider frequency range as compared to RTL, which has a lower frequency range. Generally, LTE operates somewhere around in 2100 megahertz band, but RTL-SDR is actually operates somewhere around 50 megahertz, or let's say even 10 megahertz, all the way up to 1800 megahertz. So for SignalScope, you gotta have HackRF or any other software that has a wider frequency range. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in a comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.